Aside from the 4 exhibitions, the Energy Park was transformed into a cultural village featuring vernacular architectures. A Subanen Shalayan was set up and demonstrated by Subanen SOT students, while nearby, the different vernacular architectures were being admired by the festival visitors. Product exhibit of Manobo, Mangyan, Tiboli, and Ati of Guimaras communities was also set up at the Energy Park. Salo-Salong Sarap served up 31 dishes from 17 communities to showcase their culinary traditions. The delegates prepared and cooked their flavorful delicacies in front of Dayaw attendees. All the dishes were displayed at the Dalit Pavilion, where visitors could come and taste the different cuisines.
Ang galing daw using spices to yung bagong ingredients to make some maluto na sarap.
Sama-sama sa Tuwa featured traditional games where delegates shared to everyone some of their own indigenous games.
Ang Bagbag 2 ay isang laro na kasali ng Harvest Offering Festival. Pagkatapos ng pag-aani ng palay sa buwan ng June at Hulyo, then they have to pick a stone to hit anyone at the opposite player. It is to believe that when a ball or anything is hit by a stone at dumudugo, masaya sila. Hindi sila iiyak sa saya. Because when somebody hit any part of the body, wrong or whatever, it is believed that there will be a more abundant, more harvest.